Hi everyone, today I'll talk to you about hormone testing. When prescribing topical bioidentical hormone replacement, saliva hormone testing is the only precise and recommended method. It will tell us about the state of your hormones and guide us to prescribe the correct dosage. One-day saliva hormone testing is quite simple and easy to do. Basically, you collect 5 bottles of saliva over 24-hour periods. This will tell us about your different hormones, especially the 3 estrogen, E1, E2, and E3, your progesterone level, your testosterone level, the stress hormone, which is cortisol, DHA, and melatonin, which is sleep hormones. The result will be available after 2 weeks. Then we will have a detailed discussion regarding the hormone replacement therapy and prescribe the correct dosage according to your test results. In the next video, I'll talk to you about treatment in more detail. Thank you.